Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the turkey pet ability in Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox Fall Harvest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, the turkey is one of the pets from the Fall Harvest update. And if you want to get it, you need to teleport to the Fall Harvest world. And I've already purchased the turkey. And you can purchase it with 100k shekels. Oh, not shekels, but the maple coins or maple shekels. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys the ability of this pet. This pet is so OP in my opinion. Okay, let me show you. Okay, basically the turkey can strut around your garden and pegs the ground to dig up a random seed. So if you want to get more seeds or free seeds, you can use this turkey method. You can try to purchase the turkey as many as you can and you'll get more seeds. And if you're lucky, this turkey can dig up rare seeds. Okay guys, and that's about the turkey ability in Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox Full Harvest event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!